Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Use a knife to peel off the front left guard sticker. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the upper left guard. Tilt the guard lower section out and up to remove. Repeat procedure to remove the upper right guard on the opposite side. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the 6 screws securing the bottom cover. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the front air deflector. Use a 10 mm wrench and PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the front left and right guard. Use a H5 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the headlight assembly. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing LCD screen. Unbuckle the button silicone tie. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the main cable protection cover. Unplug the front or rear brake switch connector. Remove the spiral cable wrap. Use a PH2 bit to remove the screw securing the front or rear brake switch. Replace it with a new brake switch and tighten with the screw. Attach the spiral cable wrap to the brake switch cable. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the LCD screen. Secure the headlight assembly. Plug the connector and tighten with a cable tie. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the front left and right guard. Tighten the 4 screws to secure the front air deflector. Tighten the 6 screws to secure the bottom cover. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the upper left guard and follow the same steps to secure the upper right guard. Reapply the stickers or replace them on both sides. Secure the seat assembly with the 2 screws. Close the battery compartment cover.